Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yeah, it's another good day. Kila kitu iko sawa. We thank God for that. Today we are going to talk about the most important part in goat farming. And you know the most important part in goat farming is this vaccination program. And vaccination schedule or program depends on where you are. Like here in Kajiado, as we vaccinate against CPP, PPR, and SNG, Clostridium, Lambskin. Those I think those are the common and foot and mouth disease. Pia tuna vaccinate against that. So this is the important part in goat farming. Ukimiss on vaccination, that's where your problem starts. Ensure your vaccination program yako iko correct. Usimiss, vaccinate your goats after every 6 months. If that is how the schedule is, ensure umevaccinate hizo goats na usiruke vaccination. Because hapa ndo secret ya farming, watu wengi wajui about goat farming, especially in our area. People wana avoid goat farming because wanasema goat tend kuwa na a lot of diseases. Sema goat iko associated na diseases mob. But no. Wanasema sheep ni resistance. It's true. Yeah, kuna sheep iko a bit resistant more than goat. Lakini the wrong thing wanafanya about goat, they don't vaccinate their goats. Yet they complain that goats ziko prone to diseases. So unaona, huwezi kosa kuvaccinate the goats and then you're complaining that goats are prone to diseases. Ensure you vaccinate your goat because this is the important part. Ukivaccinate your goat, you improve the immunity of your goats and then una ensure the good health and productivity inakuwa sawa. Because kama una magonjwa, productivity iko sawa. That's 100%. Utapata productivity, diseases hakuna, kila kitu itakuwa sawa. Like today tuna vaccinate against CPP vaccine na tutadunga pia SNG vax. Yeah, that's for pox. Leo tunazivaccinate. There are some goats zilikuwa affected na CPP but tulizitreat zimepona. Now we are vaccinating against CPP. This is the second time we are vaccinating. Tulivaccinate the first time but kuna wale walikuwa wamekuwa affected, tukawa treat, wamepona. Now we are vaccinating again. After treating, you vaccinate again. But vaccinating is better than treating. Prevention is better than cure. Always kumbuka. And ensure you vaccinate your goats. Usikose. Yeah, vaccinate your goats bila kuskip any vaccination na utapatana na problems. Yes, thank you.